Hey, this is Eric Snoef and I'm over at the Solution Exchange and I'm joined by my good old buddy David Bieneman. Hi David, how are you?
Hi, good morning, I'm doing very well, Eric.
So we all know David from the old days at VMware, then he created another company. It's called Liquidware Labs. So what are you doing at Liquidware Labs?
Well, we're helping people go from a physical type environment today to maybe another physical environment or a virtual environment, but using a newer type of technology that can really integrate all the users' devices and workspaces on the Windows platform today, which we know has got a long history, installed base, and a lot of people using processes and procedures that have been tuned specifically for the Windows operating system, and we help roll that investment forward into the future, but more on a virtual platform where you could be on a physical machine, on a virtual machine, on a terminal server, and have that desktop integrated, a virtual desktop integration.
Okay, so during the keynote yesterday, Steve Harrod mentioned a similar product. It's called Mirage. What's the difference?
Well, we have a just-in-time technology to where you might be on a physical machine right now or a virtual machine, and as you log in, we can deliver to that operating system the applications and the persona that you need, and then we can measure that experience and give you a scorecard about how you're performing. And the benefit there is it's a just-in-time solution. So as you're logging in, we can put together the environment without having to go through a complex reboot or sync process, and it's really flexible.
Sorry, so no reboots, just instant, everything is pushed to the user?
Yeah, between 15 and 35, 40 seconds you can have a desktop up with applications, but the operating system is the only thing that's actually in the image.
Okay, great. So your buddy is going to give us a little demo. Can you describe what he's going to demo?
Well, Jason Maddox, our CTO, is going to actually show you how to take an application, mount an application to a desktop that doesn't actually have the application installed, where he can then edit the application, set some defaults, and then detach the application. So when a user comes into the next moment, they actually get a refreshed application. We didn't have to take down an operating system, we didn't have to recompose a pool, it could have been on a physical or virtual machine, so it's very flexible. It's our VDI implementation.
Cool, let's take a look. Thanks. Hi Jason, how are you?
Good, Eric.
Okay, so you're going to show me the push of an application now?
Absolutely. So this is our Profile Unity interface. This is our new interface of Profile Unity 5.5 coming out later this year. And in the same interface, I also have another console, which is our packaging console. This is a Win32 app for packaging our applications. We package applications without a bubble, so it gives us a lot of compatibility with printers, drivers, virtual CD-ROMs, and all kinds of devices. And what I've got here is a lot of applications I've already pre-packaged. And I can take something like this media player and I can attach it to the operating system pretty much within seconds and have it available. The example here is really showing you the power of the technology to deliver the application just in time as if the user were logging in. So you'll notice here that our VHD is mounting to the OS. I now have a media player here on the left-hand side, and I can hit OK and see that this package is actually active within this operating system and it was never installed before. I can actually hit stop and the application will instantly disappear. You'll notice on the left-hand side the application is actually gone. So this is our packaging console. When you package an application within this console, we also push those application availability to our Profile Unity web interface for delivery. So I actually can switch over to the web interface, go to what we call FlexApp departmental installed applications, and I can then assign an application to a user because the inventory has a list of applications that have been checked in to the web interface. So you'll notice on the left-hand side here I have all these applications available for delivery. I can go to configuration management. I can go ahead and edit a configuration, go departmental installed apps, and then I can create a simple rule that says I'm going to give accounting a particular application, and they can have iTunes, they can play all the music they'd like, and we'll save that off, and now the user logs in just in time delivery of iTunes for the accounting department.